Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Book of Meme. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Book of Meme was trying to break out a channel, and this was the video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And at the same time, it was also trying to break out a quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance, this uptrend line resistance, and after that, now it is retesting the previous resistance, this uptrend line resistance as support. You can see that previously this resistance had been working as a support here, and support here, and support here as well. And now for the past few days, it was working as a resistance. We got two rejections here, and now finally we have broken it out. And right now the price line is retesting this previous uptrend line resistance as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this breakout. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared on 20th of May 2024 with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that Book of Meme was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again dropped more down and just into the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 48% pump. And before that, we caught almost 20% pump on this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move. And this move was formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this signal on 6th of May 2024. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And the sell target zone here even moved beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 20% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of Book of Meme, and this is the daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this down channel. By the way, previously I have been showing you a quite big rising wedge pattern as well. This was the resistance, and here we had the support of the previous rising wedge pattern. And you can see that after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally the price and broke down the support. And you can also observe that when it was moving inside this channel here before the breakdown, we found the support and resistance of this down channel. And the target, by the way, I have been telling you for this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern was here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at $0.00788. And you can see that the price then dropped here. And here, by the way, we have a very long-term support zone that starts from 830 and goes to 7880. And you can see that the price then moved down here and again tested the support here. In fact, it formed a double bottom here. This was the first bottom, this was the second bottom. Then we had a very nice reversal, and finally the price then has broken out the resistance of this channel and this quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well. Previously, this uptrend line resistance had been breaking as support here for several days. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and after the breakdown for the past several days, it was again breaking as a resistance. And now finally we have broken it out, and now the price line is retesting the previous resistance, this uptrend line resistance as a support. And in case of a successful retest, the price line can continue this move to the upside to hit the target for the breakout from this down channel. And by the way, at the same time, you can see that the price line is also testing this quite long-term support of 1 cent as well. That was previously breaking as a support here for a few days, and here it has been breaking as support. And now again it can break as a support. By the way, here almost it worked as a support as well. And now the next resistance will be here, that is at 1.1364. And that had been previously working as a resistance here for several days and as a resistance here as well. And there can be another perspective, and that is the formation of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see that here we have formed the left shoulder, and here the price line has formed this head. And if the price line breaks down this uptrend line support and this support of 1 cent, then in that situation, it can retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And in that situation, it can complete this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern where we have this resistance of 1.136 cents. And in case of breaking out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at 1.53 cents. And the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 1.6 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.